Hello friend, welcome back to Toyota Maintenance YouTube channel. I bought this cordless half-drive impact wrench kit approximately a year ago. I did an unboxing for you and I promised you that after I will play with it for a while I will do a review. And I was browsing the channel and I realized that I bought it almost a year ago and I forgot to make that review for you. So a year of experience, year of use should be enough, right, to know about it. So let's get to it. And I never had any of these CP products before, so I purchased the entire kit. So that's the tool, 2 batteries, and the charger were in that box which you saw. And most importantly, this is not just the charger, but it's also in the same time maintainer. So when you are switching the batteries, right, that one which is not being used can sit in it. You don't have to go there and check on it and remove it. It's being maintained and ready for switch. And since we are talking batteries, let's stick with them. These batteries are absolutely unreal. They hold the capacity extremely long. I can't believe it. Also, what is built in is the check, right, of the charge. So this one was maintained. You see, it was fully charged. And the one on the tool, I didn't change it for a month, right? I don't use it 100 amps a day, I don't. But this battery, I didn't change for a couple of months. Let's see what is left in it. Look at it. Out of 4, right, you still have a 2. The batteries have a great protection. What you see right here, this is all rubber. The sides are rubber and the bottom is rubber. And that's really important when you are putting down the whole tool, right? You know it will not slip off. It's nicely balanced, right? So I can put it anywhere I work, just down, and I know it's stable. And this is what I mean with that. I can be removing those lug nuts and then just place it on that lift, right? Doesn't matter that the part is even slopey, it will not move, it perfectly sits here. It's a little detail, but the details make difference, right? Now, since we are still at the batteries, let's stick with it and let's see how the battery with just 2 bars, right, which I didn't change for at least months, I will even say 2 months. Let's see how powerful it is on that Honda CR-V lug nuts. So here we go. I will show you I'm not cheating, right? 2 bars on the whole battery. Let's feel the power. Hello. And just out of curiosity, let's try the brand new battery, right? The fully charged. If there will be any difference in the power of the tool removing that lug nut. I don't think so. Seems to be the same. And as you can see, this wrench really takes those with absolute ease. It's just like, wow, right? Definitely in this case, no need for the air tool. And it's so easy to work with this impact wrench that I completely postponed or forgot about putting money in the big compressor and using all my air tools which I have in storage here. As you can see here, I own quite a lot of high quality air tools. But somehow this one just kept working perfectly. Also the fact you don't deal with the compressor and you are not dragging that hose behind you, right? The freedom with this is incredible. But nothing is perfect, right? And on my very first job when I was going to use this, I ran in this problem. And the problem has to do with its size. Look how much shorter that snap-on half drive is. From working at Toyota, I know that when I do the timing belt on Forerunner, right, on that 5VZFE, I remove the radiator, and then this gun nicely fits there with the socket to remove that harmonic balancer bolt, which is almost always terribly over tight and hard to take off. And if you look with me, if I try to put it correctly there, I believe the length from that anvil right to the back is 9.5. It's really, really long. On the contrary, when I look on this snap-on tool, I believe now it's matching. So this is 7 1/4 or 7 3/8 of the length. And that's a huge difference. So on that job, believe it or not, my first time I wanted to use it, right, I put my shallow socket right on it, and then I had it already, and I came with this tool, and it just didn't fit it there. I couldn't get down there like I knew I can get there with the snap-on, right? And I was not able to use it on that job. And that will be, for me, the only one disadvantage of this tool, let's say, in comparison with this one. I don't have a lab, so I cannot compare them. What is the real torque, right, when this runs that correct 90 psi. This is extremely powerful, right, that MG725. This one, the numbers that the maker, the CP, what they are presenting are super high too, but I had no chance to really put it to test and tell you if they are matching what they are claiming. But subjectively, right, when you work with it, you really feel it has a huge torque and it's really, really powerful tool. So how will I rate it after 1 year of use? I absolutely love it. I will not hesitate for 1 second and bought it again. This whole set is incredible. The freedom of walking around just with that gun and not dealing with the hose, right, and the compressor is incredible. And I really, really like how powerful it is. You will ask me for a stars out of 5. I will give 5. Because that size, okay, it's a small disadvantage, but I will still give it 5 stars. Out of 10 stars, maybe I will give 9 out of 10. And again, just because it's a little bit longer, it could be shorter. Will I recommend it to the friend? Absolutely. I think this is a real deal and it's a great tool, and I wish everybody can have it. It's incredible. And no, I'm not sponsored by CP or anybody else. I paid out of my pocket for it. This is my own property. So this is absolutely unbiased and honest review. I hope this review will help someone to make their own decision if they should invest money in this incredible tool. Make sure you are subscribed, because I will have always a lot of Toyota tech and the tool reviews on this channel, so you don't miss them in the future. Thank you for watching and have a great day, my friend.